Hi quilters, my name is Eric Figueroa. I'm actually Mr. Fig Tree. Joanna's off doing something, and so I decided it's time for me to be on camera and show you what great things are going on with the Buon Natale fabric line from Moda. So we have a pomegranate yardage, has 21 images on it that you can use. In addition to the pomegranate, we have green yardage. So see that beautiful green yardage that we've put together for you as well, and the running yardage. So what do you do with running yardage? You can use this as an accessory on many of your quilt projects, but we have an idea sheet that we put together. This will be available on the Fig Tree blog. In this project idea sheet, let me show you some great projects we're putting together. These are cards you can put together for your family, your friends. You just cut out the image here, sew it to the card, just regular cardstock. Beautiful project to put together. Coasters, who doesn't need a coaster? Everybody loves their wood table to look beautiful. You can sew your own coasters, great holiday coasters for parties and just for everyday use. If you need an ornament, you can make a quilting ornament right here. This one is the red version, and there's a green version on our Christmas tree up here as well. And of course, who doesn't need a pincushion, right? We have green, red. This is a great way to bring the holiday spirit right into your sewing room. And lastly, what you can do, if you want to do a more substantive ornament, you can use this wooden frame here. You just take the yardage, cut it, mount it, put it in a little frame. Use the Renaissance ribbon that coordinates with the Buon Natale fabric line as well, that's available at Moda Fabrics. And you can create a beautiful handmade project for your Christmas tree or your friends or family. And finally, I did want to let you know we have some zipper charms that coordinate with the Buon Natale fabric line, so these will also be available through Moda. Beautiful little pieces that we've put together to add to your zipper charm collection. Thank you for watching today. I'm Eric Figueroa. I am Mr. Fig Tree. We hope you really enjoy the Buon Natale fabric line coming out, and we look forward to creating great projects. Happy quilting, folks.